How to create a specification sourcing sheet to make e-commerce sellers sourcing easier. To start an online business, a specification sheet may help you out a lot while sourcing products and so on. Spec sheet is a single document that details every aspect of your product and visuals of what your product would look like. Just think of it as a recipe to create a dish. To get a head start, you can find reference products from around the web, identify things to extract from reference products to build the spec sheet for your version. Don't forget some packaging things like a clamshell, tie-on card, box, bag, etc. Make the best choice between primary packaging and secondary packaging. Other than this, you can use pictures from the reference product. It's explicit instruction. To better present your idea, you need to add letters to identify areas of customization. Now, how to create your spec sheet? Let's list some essential elements. Number 1, product name, description, pictures. Number 2, product material requirements like plastic, fabric, leather, etc. Number 3, product dimensions like weight, length, width, and height. Number 4, color requirements like Pantone colors will show up differently based on the material. The same color code on rubber will be different than plastic, fabric, or leather. Number 5, product packaging, polybag, PPE package, or box. Number 6, order quantity. Number 7, testing and sample requirements. Number 8, product preparation time. And number 9, certification requirements may be FDA, CE, UA, RoHS. Lastly, remember your product spec sheet may evolve over time. Don't worry if you are not familiar with these things. ecomhub.net will always help e-commerce sellers to find the product they want. We can make product sourcing, order fulfillment, and global shipping easier for you.